A death's head hawk moth's favorite food is nectar, but her offspring emerge as voracious tomato plant killers. In just 3 weeks, these very hungry caterpillars grow 16 times bigger. Now finger-length and armed with scissor-like mandibles, one caterpillar can devour an entire plant. An army of them will decimate the whole crop. But tomato plants have an invisible defense. Injured leaves release an airborne distress call, volatile chemicals that warn neighboring plants to prepare for war. This call to arms rallies nearby leaves to produce powerful toxin, rendering them inedible. And because these caterpillars only feed on plants in the tomato family, they begin to starve. With nothing left to eat, they eat each other. Cannibal caterpillars. The gruesome method of pest control when the killer tomatoes strike back.